Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this time we will learn how to design flame pipe fitting in SolidWorks. Okay, just start it. In here, for unit, ensure select in millimeter gram second. We start draw from section view in here, from front view. So right click on front plane and click sketch. For first step, just click center line and draw from here to below like this, and draw again center line from this point to this, like this. Okay, like this. Then we can to make line from here to here to here. Just click line, draw from this point to this, this, and this. Ensure for this line and this line, click Ctrl and click make parallel. This point and this point, click Ctrl and click make vertical, like this. We can to set for dimension in here. This line and this line for the total length this pipe in 328. So just select this line and this center line in here. For diameter in here in 328 millimeter for this stand, like this. This line in 22 millimeter, input in 22 millimeter, like this in here. And we can see for thickness in here in 15. So this line and this line input in 15 millimeter for distance. Okay, like this. Then don't forget in here, this center line to this edge or outer in here have angle in 5 degree. So this center line and this line here input in 5 degree for angle, like this. Okay, we can drag in here. Then this hole in here, this point until the center line have diameter in 75 in here, this hole 5. So for distance this point to this center line in here have diameter in 75 millimeter, like this. Then in outer of the flange in here, this line to this line, you can see from right view in here in diameter in 200 millimeter. So this line and this center line have diameter in 200 millimeter, like this. So the lens ensure in here have radius in 5 fillet. In here you can see also for fillet radius in 5 millimeter. Just click in here sketch fillets, fillet diameter change in 5 millimeter, and select this point. Click OK. Okay. Each first step like this. After that we can to use mirror entities. And in this mirror you must left click on your mouse and drag, select all line in here, and for mirror about just click this center line. Click OK and done. We can check for distance this line to this line in 284. This to this in 284. It's correct. If first step you must draw sketch like this. It's so simple. To make pipe in here, we just use feature. The name is revolve boss or base. Just click. And for axis of revolution, select this center line. Then click OK. And done. It's for first step. It's like this. It's so simple. And from this hole have chamfer 2 by 45 degree. So select in feature, click chamfer, and for chamfer parameter for distance in here, change in 2 millimeter, and in here is correct in 45 degree for angle. Just click this edge and click this edge. Click OK and done. And for this flange have 6 hole diameter in 18. So right click on this face and click sketch. First draw a circle from this point or center in here. Right click on this circle and click contraction geometry. Set for dimension. This have diameter in 160, input in 160 millimeter, like this. And just draw center line from this to this, and just click circle, draw from this circle in here, like this. Ensure this circle and this circle click make coincident. Then we can to draw center line again, this to this, and set for dimension this center line to the center line in 15 degree. 15 degree like this. Don't forget this hole have diameter in 18 millimeter. So in here have a 6 hole. So to make another hole, we just use switch in the sketch and click circular sketch button. And it is the button, just click this circle, and for parameter automatically in point 1 in from the center, and number of instant change in 6. Just click OK. Now in here have 6 circle. In another flange have hole too, like this. So just click feature and click extrude cut. For cut until this face, direction we can change in through all. Click OK and done. Now this flange have 6 hole and this flange have 6 hole, like this. Appropriate this drawing. Then we must make another flange in here. In the top have a square flange like this, and distance for the center in 110. So in here we must to make new plane. Click feature and click reference geometry, select plane. For first reference in here you must select in top plane, and for distance offset ensure input in 110 millimeter. Click OK. Now we have new plane, the name is plane 1. Right click on this plane and click sketch. Draw center rectangle from this center in here, and ensure this line and this line click make equals, because in here have square flange in 150. So input for dimension in here in 150 millimeter. Automatically in here in 150 millimeter. And don't forget each corner in here have fillets reduced in 20. So just click sketch fillets, fillet parameter change in 20 millimeter. Click this corner, click yes, this corner, yes, this and this. Click yes. Click OK. Like this. Then click OK again and click feature, click extrude boss or base. For direction, change in blind in here. Ensure for direction it's correct to the top like this. Thickness in 22 millimeter. So input in here in 22 millimeter. Just click OK. Like this. We can hide this plane. Right click and click hide. In here, from flange to this body have like a cylinder. So we just make right click on this face and click sketch. Now draw circle from this center point in here. Set for dimension this circle. In here the circle have, we can see for diameter the circle in 80 millimeter. You can see in here 80 millimeter. So input in here in 80 millimeter, and just click feature and click extrude boss or base. For direction, change in up to body, and for body just select or click this. Click OK. But in here, from this flange have hole like this. So we can to click section view in here, and ensure for section view you uncheck list in keep cap color. Uncheck list for this color, for keep cap color, and just click OK. Now we can to right click on front plane and click sketch. First, just make center line, draw from this to the top in here, like this, and draw all like this. We just draw line in here, draw from here to here, so here, 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 and until here, like this. Just input for dimension. In here, have diameter in 55. This line to this line have diameter in 55 millimeter, and this point to this center line have diameter in 48 millimeter, like this, and this line and this line have angle in 1 degree. Sorry, this line and this line have angle in 1 degree, like this. So don't forget to input in here for angle, don't forget in 1 degree, this line to this line, and this line have height or length width in 15 millimeter, input in 15 millimeter, like this. So ensure you input all dimension like this, for all dimension like this. We can sure, and don't forget in here have radius in 3 or this corner in here, radius in 3 millimeter, we can see in here. So sketch fillet and fillet parameter change in 3 millimeter. Click this point, click OK in 3 millimeter, like this radius. After we make sketch like this, just click feature and click revolve cut. Click yes. And for axis revolution, ensure select this center line. Just click OK and done, like this. We can took uncheck list for section view like this, and we can see from section view again like this. From front view like this, appropriate this drawing like this, and it's so simple. We can to uncheck list again. We can click again for section view, and we can see from in here like this. Don't forget in the top have 4 hole diameter in 18. We just to make hole in here with feature hole wizard. For hole type, we can click this hole, standard hole in here, and standard we can to use ISO and drill size. For size, ensure you select in 18 millimeter. And condition, select in up to next, and just click position, click here, click 3D sketch, and just click from this point center, draw this point, and select draw this point from here, and click in this center. We can check for direction for distance, this point to this point in 110, it's correct, and in here in 110, and here 110, this point to this point, sorry, we can check this point to this point in 110, and this point to this edge in 20, it's correct appropriate this drawing. Okay. After that, we can to click OK, and automatically you can see for whole like this. Then we can to change for appearances. Select all feature, maybe click here appearances in metal, in polysteel like this. Okay, it's so simple to make flange pipe fitting in SolidWorks. It's perfect for beginners to intermediate to exercise SolidWorks drawing or model in 3D. Okay, thank you for watching Alien video. I apologize if there are any mistake of our tutorial. Thank you for watching Alien video and see you in the next tutorial. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.